The April 2022 Visa Bulletin is out, and it is the 7th Visa Bulletin for the new fiscal year. The biggest headline is the advancement of EB to India by a full year in the filing dates chart, which the State Department authorized in order to generate demand and make use of the exceptionally high employment numbers this year. In order to satisfy this demand, USCIS has also announced that both employment-based and family-sponsored categories are to use the dates for the filing chart for the April 2022 Visa Bulletin. So stay tuned because we are going to take a look at the movement in all the preference categories as well as predictions for future Visa Bulletins. And if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for regular immigration news updates. With the exception of EB2 India in the filing dates chart, we saw relatively little movement in other preference categories. This is likely due to the fact that consular operations are limited as COVID-19 public health measures remain in place around the world, which are contributing to the mounting visa backlog, slowing down processing times. Fortunately, Congress recently passed a bill designed to reduce the backlog, which we'll discuss in just a moment. Starting with the family-sponsored dates for filing chart, we saw F1 Mexico move forward 1 month from April 1st, 2001 to May 1st, 2001. All F2A categories advanced almost 4 months and are now current. Keep watching to learn what exactly this means. F3 Philippines advanced about 1 month to November 8, 2003. F4 India moved forward almost 2 months from Jan 1st, 2006 to February 22nd, 2006. F4 Mexico advanced more than 3 months from September 1st, 2000 to December 22nd, 2000. And F4 Philippines advanced more than 2 months from February 1st, 2004 to April 22nd, 2004. Next, let's take a look at movement in the family-sponsored final action dates. F1 Mexico moved forward about 4 months from September 8, 1999 to January 1st, 2000. F2B Mexico also moved 4 months from September 1st, 2000 to January 1st, 2001. And F4 Mexico advanced more than 8 months from April 22nd, 99 to January 1st, 2000. Turning to employment dates, in the dates for filing chart, we saw EB2 India advance by an entire year from September 1st, 2013 to September 1st, 2014. Again, this is being done to ensure the State Department doesn't waste the high number of employment green cards like they did last fiscal year. Apart from EB2 India, the only other movement we saw was in the China Other Workers category, which moved forward 1 month from July 1st, 2015 to August 1st, 2015. In the employment-based final action dates chart, we saw EB2 India move forward about 2 months from May 1st, 2013 to July 8, 2013. And the China Other Workers category advanced 1 month from May 1st, 2012 to June 1st, 2012. So, what can we expect for the Visa Bulletin in the coming months? It is unlikely that we will see much movement in the family-sponsored categories, but we might continue seeing advancement in EB1 and EB2 as USCIS tries to process all the available numbers this year. We may also see EB3, China, and India stay where they are or even retrogress in the coming months. And the high use number in the EB3 Other Workers category might require a worldwide final action date as early as June in order to keep number use within the maximum allowed this fiscal year. The family-based second preference category is current but might not remain so, which means FB2A applicants should consider filing their I-485 adjustment of status as soon as possible in case the cutoff date is introduced in next month's Visa Bulletin. Because of the Omnibus Appropriations Bill passed by Congress, future Visa Bulletins will also resume listing dates for the EB5 Regional Center Program, which should become current for all countries except China, which will be subject to final action date of November 22nd, 2015. If you want to hear how the bill passed by Congress will reduce the visa backlog, I'll include a link to my other video explaining that here. I'll also continue bringing you additional immigration news as it becomes available. So, subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so yet. Click here to watch this video next, and I'll see you there.